Next discussion under graphics is bar charts. So bar chart represent data in rectangular bars with length of the bar proportional to the value of the variable, and we make use of the bar plot function in R. And let's jump into R and see how the bar plot function works, how we can plot bar charts. All right, so let's get into R. Okay, so now that we are in R and we want to create these bar charts, so we are going to make use of the data called mtcars. So I'm going to say library, as always the case, library, and then I call for datasets package. Then I run this command, and the data that I want to use today is mtcars. So mtcars, I run the command. So let me just say head mtcars, just get a brief of this mtcars data. All right, so this is mtcars. Let me zoom on it, and so it shows me that we have different cars with different cylinders, miles per gallon, horsepower, and etc. etc. So these are the variables that we have, and those are the variables that we want to analyze. So let's start by creating a variable, or when we want to do a bar plot or bar chart, we don't just do it from the whole data set. We need to select categorical data. So our categorical data, in this case, I'm just going to look and see which one makes sense to be categorical data. So we can use cylinders. So we can use cylinders. So we can say cylinder is equal to, so we need to separate cylinder from the rest of the variables. Then we create a bar chart on it because it is a categorical data. So to do that, we need to create a table which is called cylinder, and the table is made up of mtcars and variable code cyl. Then we run this command, and we can now plot the bar chart. We can say bar plot, then we run cylinder. Okay, so this is the plot that we have now. This is the plot that we have. We can, for us to zoom on it, we need to create a new device. So I'm going to say device.new, and then I run this one. So this is the device where we want to place our graph. So I'm going to say run this command again, and let's look at the graph. So this is the graph, the bar plot. It shows that we have more cars with 8 cylinders than 6 and 4. So it just makes you understand the data you are working with. So that is it for the bar plot, for the bar charts. So